Before I cut this off, say hi to my pillow pet. Say hello to my little friend. As you can see, she got a little bit of a buzz cut. When I was younger, I decided to chop her hair off. I don't know why I'm showing y'all my stuffed animals. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Y'all, my mom makes southern style cornbread in the cast iron skillet, and it looks so good. You can see the brown crispy outside, cornbread with butter. Corned beef stew. I'm about to tear this up, y'all.
It's gonna be bussin'.
I washed my hair the other night. I did moisturize it and oil it real good. I'm just gonna let y'all know it's kind of crazy up in this bonnet. Can somebody in the comments let me know, when I'm in the bathroom, do you like it better when I face the mirror and film or when I just film? I don't know. I don't know if y'all can see. I'm really getting tired of this. I have to wash it every single weekend. I sweat so quick and my hair gets really itchy. It's not fair. Can you wait 2 more weeks? When I have my hair up for too long, the dirt from my hair gets in my scarf or bonnet, and then it starts to like irritate my face, and then the dirt gets on the pillow, and then I'm laying on the pillow, and then my face starts to break out. I'm tired of my face breaking out.
I'm tired of suffering.
I'm done.
I'm done.
I'll talk to you guys later. I just ate that southern style cornbread with corned beef stew.
I wanted to be a cowboy, baby.
I'm from LA. I don't got no accent. Well, I can't hear it. I had the best Mexican food I've ever had in my life in LA. Hollywood. It's in the description. Go check it out. That food is bomb. Phenomenal. Amazing.
Talented, brilliant, incredible.
Okay.
Shy little frog singing along to this fun tune. Shy little frog singing along to this fun tune. Shy little frog singing along to this fun tune.
So something crazy happened the other day. I was really mad. Let me just explain what happened. The other day I had like my mini tripod. It's a very good tripod. I'm getting in the car. I'm not touching it at all. Just when I look back at it, it's just broke. I'm thinking maybe I screwed it in my camera too tight or something, but it just broke clean off. Like it's just a nub now. The main point is that this broke off, and not only did it break off, it broke off into my camera. If I either find a way to get it out or go to my uncle's house, because he got all the gadgets and gizmos, drills and screws. He got everything. It was funny because a week before I took this student survey and they gave me 5 Amazon dollars for free. I just hadn't used it because I'm not just gonna spend money if I don't have a reason. Not even if I want something. Like if I want something, I have to ponder on it a really long time, and if it's still on my mind, then I'll buy it. Otherwise, I don't buy anything unless I need it. So not too long after I got that money, boom, my tripod broke. 5 Amazon dollars for free. I was about to open it, but I don't know where the scissors at. Guys, I am so happy. It's the next day. I'm trying to do my schoolwork, right? But bruh, if I can't get past high school chemistry and what you learn in college is based upon what you learn right now, how will that work? How? I mean, the math part of it, if you take away all those variables and the letters, not super duper hard. But with all these symbols and equations and stuff, I'm over here like,
What?
You know, I've always, since elementary school, I've been a pretty good writing student. Write some books for a living, you know, because I actually really enjoy it. I might just be a writer, I mean, because this chemistry is looking tough. So finally, now that I get to see, I don't want it. I'm gonna push myself to see if I actually can do it. I might just major in writing. Obviously, you can be an author and write books. You know, I might just be a writer, y'all. I might just be a writer, YouTuber, creator. Who knows what else I might be. All I can do is see what's in the present. I have no idea what's gonna be in the future. I just want to be able to have enough to gain enough income in the future to the point where I don't have to survive off of it. I have all my basic necessities, but if I want to actually have fun and enjoy life, I'm able to do that. I want to be able to brush my teeth, wash my face, wipe my butt, take a bath, like all the basic things, you know. And if I want to travel, like traveling could be my career, who knows? Traveling and writing. All I know is I'm sitting in this bedroom right now, and if I don't get off this camera and start working, I'm gonna be in trouble. I'm singing in the membrane.
Please, I'm a escalator!